Good morning, all of you. Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine.
I'm fine.
Fine. Okay. Preparing for PT2?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
In PT2, you will be having your post syllabus, post half yearly portion. Okay. In PT2, you will be having post half yearly. Post half yearly means after half yearly, what you were having now, that you will be having in your PT2. Okay. So after half yearly,
Ma'am, all the chapters. Ma'am, all the chapters.
No. PT2 for PT2, I'm telling, not for final exam, right? Post half yearly. Post.
Ma'am, 3 or 4 chapters are there. Whole will come.
How many chapter came in half yearly?
Ma'am, 9.
Chemistry portion, I'm telling.
Ma'am, पता नहीं.
Only one chapter is left now. Heat synthetic fire, not synthetic fibers, not sorry, heat and this one. Physical and chemical changes was there in half yearly. Only one chapter is left, that is effects of electric current, isn't that? So that effects of electric current you will have in PT2. Okay?
PT2. Yes, ma'am.
हाफ
Yes,
ईयर
ma'am.
आया है वो अभी नहीं आएगा. PT2 की बात कर रही हूँ. I'm not talking about final exam. Okay?
Ma'am, today what we will do?
We will do again जब 100% revision of your chemical effects of electric current, so that you need not to be looking here and there, and you should be able to write properly in your exam. Okay?
Exam.
Yes. So 2-3 revisions we will do again for this particular chapter. So this question again I am taking, and again these 3 slides again and again I will be repeating. Not again and again the same. More questions I will be adding. MCQ also I will be adding. But till exam, no Kahoot, I am saying. Till exam. One day if I will be in between, I can take, but not frequently Kahoot.
Ma'am, in the which day science paper is there?
Timetable is posted, na beta? I think so.
No, ma'am, only.
No, ma'am.
Posted.
Okay, you
Ma'am,
will get.
timetable is not posted.
Okay, then I will get to know, but you will get to know. Don't worry about that. Okay. So you just start preparing. From 4th of Jan you are having, na?
Conductor.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's start our class. Okay. So we are going to start with the fill-ups, isn't that? So let's start with the fill-ups. What is that?
I'm an insulator.
Conductor, ma'am.
Wait. Don't shout.
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry. Ma'am, sorry, conductor.
Conductor.
Our body is a conductor of electricity. Okay.
That's why we get shock.
Don't shout. Our body is a conductor. That's why we are getting electric shock, isn't that? Otherwise, why we will get electric shock if we are not a conductor? Isn't that? Electric
Ma'am,
bulb.
I have been confused.
Why?
Ma'am, in this conductor and insulator.
Insulator will not allow electricity.
Ma'am, I have not read this from many days now, so I forgotten this.
No, why you are not reading? You have to read na. Okay. So don't worry.
Yes, ma'am.
This PDF I will upload as a study material. Okay, as a study material I will upload in your portal. From there you go on revising, and Tuesday the same question answer, but I will not give you any chance. I will just go on asking the question. Okay. Okay, Navya.
हमारा तो सिर्फ ऑब्जेक्टिव्स ही आएगा ना एग्जाम में अभी P2 में.
Who said objectives will only be there? No, you will have subjective also.
Messages came.
What?
Yes, ma'am.
Not for only.
Ma'am, the
Message came when?
That was not written that only objectives will come.
Where it is not
written that.
No, only objective it is not.
Ma'am, there is written that.
Okay, let me check.
20 questions are
20 marks of objectives are there.
Yes, that will be divided between subjective and objective. Okay, don't worry, there will be subjective also, there will be objective also. Okay, there is no, you are not the small class kids. Okay, you will have subjective and objective also.
Bye.
Okay,
Ma'am,
yeah.
ma'am, should we give the answer in chat?
Yes, you can start giving the answer in the chat, but I will ask personally one by one also.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, let's start with the first person who is there. Parsh. Parsh.
Ma'am, this message came from Muslim.
Yeah.
Ma'am, first one is conductor.
Not first turn one. I am asking about the second one. An electric cell produces
Ma'am,
electricity
chemical
from dash.
stored.
Ma'am, chemical.
Chemical stored.
Yes. Next, and an electric current, a fuse is dash. This will be answered by Piyush. Piyush.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer the question number 3. In an electric current, a fuse is dash to dash prevent possible fire. In an electric circuit, fuse is a dash to prevent possible fire.
Not no, ma'am.
No. Vineet, can you tell? Vineet,
Ma'am, I am thinking.
who is that?
This is an electric circuit. A fuse is a.
Don't
Ma'am,
know.
question you asked.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
don't
which
know.
question you asked?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Ma'am,
Yes,
question
tell.
you got?
Tell.
Ma'am, which question you got?
It is a safety device. Correct.
Device.
Okay, it is a safety device. Correct. Next, a combination of 2 or more cell is called a dash. Adi Jain. Adi.
Ma'am, battery.
Correct. A core of electromagnet. A core of electromagnet is made from. Wait,
Ma'am,
wait,
ma'am,
Chetna.
copper.
Chetna told answer. Iron.
What?
I was asking the core of electromagnet is. Electromagnet जो रहता है उसमें हम लोग अंदर बीच में एक लोहे की पाइप डाल के उसके ऊपर कॉइलिंग करते हैं ना ताकि इलेक्ट्रिसिटी
Ma'am, iron.
Okay, so it is made up from iron. Remember that because iron is the best conductor among the readily available. Yeah, best conductor तो है, अलग से silver है, but most cheap and readily available is iron, and it is a good.
Iron and copper. Ma'am, copper also, na?
Copper also you can take, but in electromagnet because of the noise and electric field, if you have to make, then iron is the best option because it will create magnetic effect.
Okay, ma'am.
Next, true or false? CFL consume more electricity than ordinary bulb. This will be answered by
False.
False.
false. Okay. A fuse is used to save energy in the electric circuit.
True.
True.
Okay, save energy.
Ma'am, true.
It is saving energy. It is false. Because fuse is to prevent short circuit. Electrical circuit को short circuit से बचाता है. Next, when an electric circuit flows through a wire, it behaves like a magnet. Dharya.
False.
True, beta. Isn't that?
Ma'am, how will it become a magnet?
Ma'am, it is false.
Where
Ma'am,
it
how will
is
it
written
become
iron
a
na?
magnet?
Wait. True it is there, see?
Ma'am, how?
बेटा आप वायर की
Ma'am?
तो कॉइलिंग करते हो इन इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट
Okay. Yes, ma'am, electromagnet. Yes.
इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट में आप मेटल कर लेते हो उसके में वायर की ऐसी कॉइलिंग करते हो ना.
Yes,
Next.
ma'am.
A key or a switch that can be key or switch can be placed anywhere in the circuit. Harshit,
False.
True.
true.
True, ma'am, true.
ट्रू की और स्विच को आप कहीं भी लगा सकते हो, उनका कोई पोजीशन नहीं रहता. ओके, अ कार बैटरी इज जस्ट वन बिग सेल.
False.
A car
Ma'am, it
battery
is battery.
Ma'am,
It's
false.
battery.
false. It is a combination of
Ma'am, it
cells.
is battery.
Yes, because it is
Combination.
written here battery. Battery it is written, then how it can be one cell? Okay. MCB works on magnetic effects of current. Yashita,
False. Ma'am,
False.
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 The element,
yeah.
the element of an electric current is made up of
True.
tungsten.
True, ma'am, true.
True.
False. या सॉरी, एक मिनट. हाँ, यहाँ पे बल्ब होना चाहिए. क्वेश्चन गलत है.
मैम फिर false.
False, ma'am.
फॉल्स नहीं होगा बेटा, ट्रू होगा. बल्ब का जो फिलामेंट रहता है वो टंगस्टन से बनता है ना. बल्ब का जो फिलामेंट होता है, द फिलामेंट ऑफ द बल्ब इज मेड अप ऑफ टंगस्टन. ओके,
false लिखा है.
यहाँ पे अच्छा, यहाँ इलेक्ट्रिक, अगर इलेक्ट्रिक आयरन होगा तो फॉल्स होगा,
Yes, ma'am.
और अगर बल्ब लिखेगा तो ट्रू हो जाएगा. If your bulb is written, then it is true, and if iron is written, then it is false. Okay. Electric fuse
False.
is electric fuse is हाँ, यहाँ पे देख लेना आप. If it is bulb, then it is then electric fuse is electric
Ma'am, false.
based on the okay, false, because electric fuse is not based on the magnetic effect, it is based on the heating effect. Okay, next question answers. Differentiate between wait Navya Yashita,
Ma'am.
electric current and electric circuit, differentiate.
Ma'am, electric circuit means. Ma'am, how do I explain it?
And tell in Hindi.
Ma'am, how do I explain it? I don't know, but I know. Ma'am, electric circuit means when the conductors join.
याशिता हिंदी में बोल दे.
Yes, ma'am. Can I speak in Hindi?
Okay, so let me know the answer first. Okay, tell.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, electric circuit means that. Ma'am, 1 minute. Give me 1 minute.
See, it is a simple question. You all know, but you are not able to put in words. This is where you are going to lose now.
Ma'am, can I say electric circuit?
Okay, tell.
I know.
Tell.
मैम मैं कह सकता हूँ, मैं हिंदी में कह सकता हूँ.
बोलो. Let me listen first.
इलेक्ट्रिक को फ्लो होने में मदद करता है, कनेक्ट करता है वो.
Okay, and what about electric current?
मैं वो नहीं जानता.
Okay.
मतलब पता.
Electric current is flow of charge. Okay. Electric current is flow of charge.
मैम क्या?
Flow of electrons को हम क्या बोलते हैं? That is we call as electricity or electric current. Okay. And when the electric current is passing through a closed pathway containing electrical components like battery, switch, then it is called as electric circuit. समझ में आया? Is it clear? Electric current is flow of electrons or the flow of charged particles, but electric circuit is the flow of electricity or the flow of electron through a closed pathway containing electrical equipments like battery, switch. Okay, that is called as electrical circuit. Electric circuit कभी भी open नहीं होगा. If it is open, then it is an incomplete circuit. Okay, remember that. That's why it should be a closed circuit. Okay?
Ma'am, so what is the difference between them? Ma'am, both are same.
Circuit is a pathway. Circuit is a पाथवे, एक रोड मैप है वो पाथवे, मैंने क्या वर्ड यूज किया, इट इज अ क्लोज्ड पाथवे थ्रू विच इलेक्ट्रिसिटी फ्लोस। समझ में आया?
And ma'am, and the electricity which flows is the current.
हाँ, electricity which is flowing, that is current, and the pathway through which
Yes,
it is
ma'am.
flowing, that is circuit.
शांत रहो।
Okay,
Yes,
this is one.
ma'am.
Electric current is flow of electron,
नहीं
but
मिलेगा।
circuit is a
WhatsApp
closed
नहीं चालू
path
है,
in which
समझाओ।
electric current flows. Is it clear? Next,
Yes, ma'am.
explain the formation on uses of battery. Who can explain? Wait,
Ma'am, can you please
wait,
मैम
wait,
कैन आई, मैम प्लीज, मैम कैन आई?
wait. Vineet,
यस मैम।
answer.
मैम it is made up of many more than one cells, and ma'am it is used to give power to the electronic things.
equipments?
हाँ वही।
The electronic equipments. Okay, battery is a
Yes, ma'am.
combination of cells. It supplies electric current. अब इसमें आपका क्या देखो, if this question is if I am giving in the 1 mark question, then you can simply write that it is a combination of cell. But suppose if this question I am giving in 2-3 marks question, then you have to explain
3
this
marks.
completely. Okay, that means it is a combination of cells. It supplies electric current. It is formed by connecting positive terminal of one cell to the negative terminal of others. Okay, and extra thing you can, yeah. Is it clear? Next,
Yes ma'am.
explain the function of a cell in a circuit. This will be answered by Shasan. Shasan, ever you are replying in my class, never I saw you answering. Always you are there, but never answering. Rishabh, wait. Rishabh, no. Piyush, Rishabh is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Rishabh, answer this. Explain the function of a cell in a circuit.
Ma'am,
What is the function of a cell in a circuit?
ma'am, cell जो ma'am वो
Can I tell?
वो
Ma'am, to supply electricity.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it supplies electric current.
Yes.
And how it is represented, that all of you know now. Positive terminal big,
Ma'am,
vertical
ma'am,
negative terminal small.
It has a negative and a positive
yes
terminal.
ma'am.
Yes. An electrician is carrying out some repairs in a building. He wants to replace a fuse by a piece of wire. Would you agree with the electrician?
No, ma'am.
False, ma'am, no.
Ma'am,
Why?
because if
Ma'am, because the fuse is one-time use.
And what about wire?
Ma'am, we can use the fuse one time.
Ma'am, if by accident the current exceeds the safe limit, the wire may become hot, cause fire.
My question you
Wow,
are
so
able to
क्या बोल रहे हो
understand or
इसका?
not? Are you able to understand the question?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Can
We
I
want to
explain?
replace the fuse by piece of wire. If your answer is yes, then you have to tell the reason. And if your answer is no, then also you have to tell the reason.
Ma'am, there is no, because
Ma'am,
the
no,
fuse is the
ma'am,
main part of the bulb. If the fuse will not there, then electricity will not.
फ्यूज के अंदर भी तो वायर ही रहता है ना बेटा, तो ऐसा क्या प्रॉब्लम हो गया, आप लोग बताओ।
Ma'am, Yashita is thinking that ma'am, filament. She is thinking that it is filament.
ओके, याशिता ने अपना आंसर बताया. यू टेल मी योर आंसर.
Ma'am, because when the circuit breaks overloaded, ma'am, the fuse is burned. And it is not able to use again.
Okay, correct. Then we can't. Okay, we can't use electric wire. Reason देखो यहाँ लिखा हुआ है. You are able to see. अब there is a maximum
Yes, ma'am.
limit on the current. Okay, each circuit can take a particular limit or particular load of current. अगर extra गया तो overloading हो जाएगा. Okay, and there can be fire, electrical fire also, and accident can be created. Okay, and it if it is overload, then their overheating is there, and they will catch fire, and that's why we are using what electrical fuse. Okay, and if the proper fuse is there in the
Ma'am, am I
circuit,
right?
yes, yes. If a simple small wire, Yashita also told the same thing only. Okay, if a simple small wire is used, then how it will bear that sudden overload of electricity? It can't stop immediately. It will what? The wire will become overloaded and it can catch fire. And if it is catching fire, then the what will happen? The circuit will burn, and the
Ma'am,
other
fire.
equipments, other equipments will also catch fire. How fuses are useful? The same question. How fuses are useful,
Ma'am,
Chetna? Wait. Chetna,
Ma'am, can I?
what name? Rashita is in that.
Yes, ma'am.
Chetna, tell me the answer.
Ma'am, can I?
Wait,
I
let
don't know.
Chetna answer.
Ma'am, I don't know.
Ma'am, can I?
Okay, tell.
Ma'am, it is used to protect our electronical devices. Ma'am, ma'am, can I tell in Hindi some lines?
But in exam, how are you going to write them? Try whatever way of English you are
Ma'am,
telling. I am ready to listen. Tell.
Ma'am, it protects our electronic devices. Ma'am, ma'am, the more power, ma'am, it is stored in that fuse, ma'am, and it blasts, but it don't harm our electronical devices.
Okay, correct, simple. Okay, safety device it prevents the damages of electrical circuit and possible fire. Can we use an electromagnet separating plastic magnets from a garbage heap? Can we use an electromagnet for separating? Here it is will be for separating. Okay, can we use? Can we use?
No, ma'am.
No, because plastic is not magnetic. An electromagnet
No,
is plastic is not magnetic. It can't be
Insulator.
attracted by the
Plastic
electromagnet.
is insulator.
That it is not attracted by the electromagnet, so we can't use electromagnet. Okay, and it,
Yes, ma'am.
next.
Look at the figure given below. Answer whether the compass
Divya,
needle will show
Divya,
when the switch
Ma'am, deflection means
डिफ्लेक्ट करेगा क्या? जैसे ऐसा मिडिल ऐसे शो करेगा, मींस मूवमेंट शो करेगा क्या?
Yes, ma'am. True. True, नहीं ma'am. हाँ, ma'am. It will show the deflection.
Divya, wait. When I am asking you the answer, if you know the answer, tell me. If you don't know the answer, simply you can tell me, ma'am, I don't know. Why you keeping yourself so that quiet, not replying also?
Ma'am, I have a question.
Huh?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Tell.
Ma'am, what is the question saying? I am not understanding.
Ma'am, can I explain?
Okay, explain.
Ma'am, the question is asking, ma'am, a figure given below, answer whether the compass needle will, मतलब वो needle जो है वो directions बताएगी कि नहीं, अगर उसको सर्किट क्लोज कर देंगे तो.
देखो अभी यहाँ पे क्या है, कंपास नीडल का काम क्या रहता है, डायरेक्शन बताता है ना. तो अगर आप उसको जाओगे तो वो डिफ्लेक्शन, अर्थ के मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट के कारण कंपास का जो नीडल है वो डिफ्लेक्ट करता है, डायरेक्शन बताता है कि नॉर्थ कहाँ है, साउथ कहाँ है, एंड दैट इज इन दैट इट इज टेलिंग. ओके, एंड अब तुमसे ये क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है कि ये सर्किट बनाया गया है जिसमें एक मैच बॉक्स लिया गया, सॉरी ब्लॉक लिया गया है, उसके ऊपर वायरिंग की गई है, and bulb is there and the switch is there, and when the switch is closed, that means the circuit is closed, whether the compass attached to this particular electromagnet, will it show the reflection? Yes, it will show.
Ma'am, it will, ma'am,
हाँ, अगर सर्किट क्लोज
ma'am, but it will show the wrong direction.
डायरेक्शन यहाँ पे से काम नहीं है, हमको यहाँ पे वो मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट प्रोड्यूस कर रहा है कि नहीं उससे काम है, ठीक है, हमको बस उससे मतलब
मैम कर रहा है.
यहाँ पे क्या, अगर if this question was having this shown is in place of closed, if it was open, then there will be no deflection, but here it is written what, closed, that's why there will be definitely deflection, and it will be because of the magnetic effect of the electric current. Okay, okay,
Yes,
यहाँ पे
ma'am.
देखो, यहाँ पे not showing if it is open, लेकिन ये तो ओपन कंडीशन में, जैसे ही स्विच नीचे जाएगा ये क्या हो जाएगा, क्लोज्ड हो जाएगा, ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
नेक्स्ट,
Ma'am, there was a question.
Ma'am, 8th question is left.
okay, when the electric current is switched on to a
Ma'am, please hide the answer.
same type test question, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
That means you should be able to tell which questions are important type. Okay, write short notes on heating effect of electric current. First you should tell me why they are producing heating effect. Harshit, tell me why it is producing electric current is producing heating effect.
मैम आपकी आवाज
Ma'am,
क्लियर
because
नहीं आ
it
रही.
Question
heats
number
up.
9. Question number 9.
Ma'am, his voice is not clear.
Question number 9. You can see the screen.
Ma'am, what is your question?
Question number 9. Write short notes on heating effects of electric current.
Right, short. Ma'am, I'm hitting it back. I'm at it up.
मैम नहीं समझ आ रहा है.
नहीं समझ में आ रहा है? Anyone else?
No, ma'am. ये तो मुझे भी नहीं आ रहा.
Heating effect of electric current, you can't short notes.
Ma'am, it heats up and produces electric current.
Yes, when an electric current flows through a wire, the wire gets heated. This is the heating effect of the current. Okay, and it
Ma'am, I am right.
Overloads, it melts now.
no melt if it is there is a overload. Overloading.
Yes, ma'am. That only I am saying.
Then it will melt. Otherwise, it will not melt. Okay. But overloading.
Am I correct?
Yes, it is when electric current flows to the wire, yes, it will heat up and that is only the heating effect. Now, answer this. This is a little bit tough for you people. Distinguish between electric motor and a generator. Electric motor and generator. Rishabh?
Ma'am, electric motor and generators.
Rishabh, can you answer?
मैम नहीं पता.
Distinguish between electric motor and electric generator.
Anybody? Anybody?
Ma'am, can I tell a generator?
Just tell.
Ma'am, generator, ma'am, it produces electricity.
Generator produces electricity. And what about electric motor?
Ma'am, motor also generates electricity.
Motor also produces electricity.
No, ma'am. Sometime
There
it
is a
produces
difference.
electric motor. Uh, Ma'am, it is based on magnetic effect, ma'am, and it is used for. No, ma'am, नहीं गलत है.
अच्छा सिंपल है, देखो व्हाट इट इज जनरेटर. जो पहले देखो कौन मैकेनिकल एनर्जी यूज करता है और कौन इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी यूज करता है, पहले ये बताओ. इलेक्ट्रिकल मोटर.
मैम इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी.
हाँ, इलेक्ट्रिक
जनरेटर.
मोटर क्या करता है, मोटर का काम क्या, इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी को यूज करके वो किसमें कन्वर्ट करता है, मैकेनिकल एनर्जी में, है कि नहीं.
मेटालिक.
इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर काम क्या करता है, हम मोटर चलाने के लिए, लिसन मोटर चलाने की आपको इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की जरूरत है. For
Yes,
running
ma'am.
a motor, you require electricity. Isn't that? After running the motor, you will see them sound.
Yes, ma'am.
Boom sound. The machine starts working. Isn't that? That means electrical energy is converted to mechanical energy. Isn't that? Electrical energy.
Mechanical energy.
Electrical energy is converted to mechanical energy. Whereas a generator, when you talk about generator, just reverse. जब आप इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं रहता तब आप जनरेटर ऑन करते हो, है ना, यानी जनरेटर ऑन करते हो तब इलेक्ट्रिसिटी आता है.
मैम
मैकेनिकल एनर्जी टू.
मैम इट गिव्स अस इलेक्ट्रिसिटी.
यस, मैकेनिकल एनर्जी टू इलेक्ट्रिकल. रिवर्स हुआ, पहला पॉइंट आपको ऐसे ही मिल गया. देखो देखो यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है, इट कन्वर्ट्स इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी टू मैकेनिकल एनर्जी ऑन your motor, whereas generator converts mechanical energy to electrical energy. Okay, and without electrical energy motor will not work, and without mechanical energy generator will not work. Okay, it is used in water pump, marble grinders, and it is used for hydroelectric generator and diesel generator. Clear है, बहुत सिंपल सा है. आपको if you know कैसे काम करता है इतना याद रखना कि if you want to use motor, you have to switch on the electricity. That means you are converting electrical energy to mechanical energy. And if you want to use the generator,
ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am, sometimes motor also generate electricity.
Motor generates electricity. How?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, a small DC motor, ma'am, if we'll put a handle in it and we will attach a charger, ma'am, it will generate electricity and charge our phone.
That motor you are using for, that motor you will what do? You will be doing what? You will be running a fan, and that fan will produce some energy, and then the bulb will glow. Isn't that? You are connecting the motor. When you are talking about a model, na? Like in a small motor, DC motor, you are taking a fan, and that fan rotates, and that fan is connected to LED or the small bulb, and the bulb will glow. You are telling this only, na? Isn't that?
Yes, ma'am.
So what you are doing?
Yes, ma'am.
You are connecting that fan with the motor first, and that fan, unless and until that fan is rotating, it will not produce mechanical energy, and that mechanical energy is converted to electrical energy. If there is no fan, how you will produce? Okay.
Ma'am, we'll put a handle in it and we will. मैम उसको घुमाएंगे फिर मोटर के हैंडल को.
ऐसे थोड़ी होता है. How you can do that? Okay.
Ma'am, I cannot tell that in words.
Okay, you tell in Hindi, no issues. I am able to listen. Tell me.
मैम जब मोटर के आगे ऐसे आयरन की रॉड निकली हुई रहती है.
हाँ.
मैम तो उसमें हम लोग कुछ अटैच कर देंगे और उसको घुमाएंगे तो मैम वो तो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोड्यूस करता है.
हाँ बेटा, लेकिन वो जो आप देखो बिना कुछ लगाए और घुमाए क्या इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोड्यूस होगा?
नो मैम.
नहीं. आप वो लगाते क्यों हो? आप वो जो मोटर के सामने जो रहता है आयरन का जो निकला हुआ रहता है, आप उसमें कुछ लगाते हो ताकि वो रोटेट करे, वो घूमे, और वो घूमेगा तो मैकेनिकल एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस होगा, और वो मैकेनिकल एनर्जी को बैटरी कन्वर्ट करने लगता है किसमें, इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी में, तब आपका वो एलईडी जलता है।
केमिकल
अगर
एनर्जी
आप
में।
आप अगर
हाँ,
सिंपल
sorry.
एक मोटर लेके उसमें एलईडी लगा दो, नहीं चलेगा वो, इट विल नॉट ग्लो। मोटर में सिंपल अगर आप एक इलेक्ट्रिक एलईडी लेकर जोड़ तो नहीं चलेगा वो। Why it will not glow? Because there is no source of conversion. How it will convert? Okay, is it clear? Next,
Yes, ma'am.
magnetic effects of electric current. Who will tell?
Magnetic effects of electric current.
Rishabh, not.
Right shirt.
Ma'am, only students are left.
Magnetic effect. Ma'am, rest of it all leave the class.
Time is over.
No, yes, ma'am.
Wait, let me
No,
check.
ma'am, 4 minutes are left.
In this,
Yes, ma'am, time is over.
wait, let me check. 12:05, na? Okay, let's end our class here.
And 12 we have.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day. The next class, the same chapter, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, have a good weekend.
Okay, thank you. Same to you. Okay.
Bye. Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Bye, bye, bye.
Yes, ma'am.
Bye.